Good morning to all.
Hi, Aby.
I am Aswin. I am Adhil.
I am Ananthakrishna. I am Devarsh.
We are 8th on the same team of Vikasit Bharat Bundathon. We are going to present our idea of our team. Our idea is an automatic river cleaning machine. It's designed to remove waste and plastics from rivers efficiently. It works by using a floating conveyor system or powered by motors. This machine moves on water surface and a rotating conveyor belt collects plastic, leaves and other wastes. This waste is then transferred into a storage bin on the machine. Sensors help to detect obstacles and guide movement, making the process efficient. It uses electric sensors, motors, etc. to make itself work. It is also a eco-friendly machine. Thank you.